Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and I have missed you guys so much. I'm so glad to be back. I was sick. I'm still getting over it, but the virus got me. So I am doing much better now. Thank you so much to all of you who reached out, sent me some great happy mail, and I wanted to open that with you guys. So I wanted to show you a couple of things. Oh, look at how cute this little guy is. One of you beauties, Jenny, one of my friends, sent me this with the little thing on his head and a little get well band-aid. I thought that was so cute. Now, I got home. Actually, I didn't go to the hospital. I did end up calling 911 because my oxygen levels, they got down into the mid 50s, which is not good. And then they came out, they checked me over, and they said, well, you can go to the hospital, but they are just going to send you right back home. So I'm like, okay, well, I'll just take my chances here at home. And then my aunt came over, and she took such good care of me. So when I got home, I had that little bear, and because she took me to her house when we found out my cousin, who was hanging out with me, also got COVID. And the thing is I went and got tested because my daughter had it. She got it in the hospital. She had negative. I had a negative. So we all had these negative tests, and so we all stayed within our own little bubble, but the negative was not accurate. But now we're all doing better. We're all on the mend, and I'm just so glad to be recording again with you guys. So I'm going to show you this first one. It was a little card. This is from my dear beauty Fawn, and she made this little card with little bling. Look at that. Isn't that cute? Let me see here. Okay, there, I can see better. Look at my little initials on there. Isn't that super cute? So she, and then she put some bling. So it was a card, you guys. It was an already done card, but she blinged it up. For me, that's a handmade card. So beautiful. Thank you, Fawn. The next one I have to show you. Now, remember, I didn't go to my post office for a little while. So, I mean, this has been a month in the making, and I'm still getting through it. But this is from a beauty, Elise. And you guys, I have to show you this. Hand little made card. It says Happy New Year, but look at this. Oh, look at that. It's got these little steps. Isn't that beautiful? I love it so much. So thank you, Elise. And I put these, I don't know if you can see it. I have a little holder for all my cards that I get. Not this one right here, but it's round and it makes like a wreath of cards. And it's so pretty. I fill that up each year, and then I take it down each year. So it gets filled up pretty quickly. This next one is from Carolyn. Hi, Carolyn. And look at this. So pretty. She used the hydrangeas there. So that is so nice. So I love that. You guys, you're just so talented, and you're so sweet for sharing with me. Okay, this one is from Misty, and she's been a beauty for a long time. But look at, I'm barely getting it, Misty, and I don't know when I actually got it, because I'm sure I got it in January, but I hadn't been to the post office. So I got a little Christmas card, and we all know the cards are coming so late anyways. This next one is from Juanita. Oh, I love this. So pretty, and that's with the Rococo Rose, which is going to be retiring soon, and the Purple Posy. Oh, I love this. Thank you so much, Juanita. This is from my friend, and she's on my team, Gail. And she was so sweet. She put a little post-it note here, and it said that she was, well, I'll show you. She got me a planner sticker book. So she thought she was going to do some planning. Turns out that she didn't, and she's thought of me. And I got this lovely sticker book. And yes, Gail, I still do my planning, so I will use this. So nice. You guys are so sweet. And then there's this one. This, again, is from Fawn, from Faithfully Fawn. Look at that pretty wrapping. I'm going to open that one up. I did not. I did open the cards so that I wouldn't sit there opening the whole time. And then Fawn accidentally sent me 2 packages. One was for somebody else but had the wrong address. So I got in touch with her. I'm like, there's 2. She said the smaller one is for me. So I'm opening up the smaller one. And let's see here. I could see something that says Sticko. Oh, wait. I think Fawn, I'm not real sure if this has somebody else's name on it. So I'm going to have to get in touch with you again, because I know you said the unicorn stuff was for your friend. But let me look. I'm going to open these stickers since it's already open. And then you can tell me. So there's a bunch of these cute little stickers. And this. That is beautiful. Okay, here's some unicorns. So maybe this is for her. These are beautiful. You just tell me, and I will send back the package that was not intended for me, but this is beautiful. And then look at these, some planner stickers. Well, one of us are very lucky to receive this. So we will see. And then, so that was one, okay? I'm now gonna open the other one so that you can tell me which one is which. Because I definitely, I mean, this one has a note with somebody else's name on it. So I'm thinking that was accidentally mislabeled. Okay, I'm going to put this together much better. Put that off to the side. Alright, the next one we've got here is from Lindsay. Oh, Lindsay, thank you so much, you guys. Check this out. Look at this box that she decorated. Isn't that pretty? Oh man, as soon as I saw this, I was like, oh, I need to decorate boxes. So she sent me a little card that says Happy Mail. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. It's handmade. There's a little cute little sticker on the back there. But look at that. That's embossed there. So pretty. And then on the inside, there's a little pocket with a little dangly there. And that dangly says, Made with Love. We've got some great little bookmarks in there. This is all handmade. Okay, this little dangly has a little handmade booklet on here with some nice little writing. Okay, I have a question here. Now this says Irene on here. And then the from said Lindsay. So Lindsay, Irene, reach out to me, let me know. But there's all these little packages in here, you guys. Oh, it's like Christmas. I know, I want to save this paper because it's so pretty, but I want to get to all the little goodies. Oh, you guys, look at this. Isn't that pretty? Look at those. Oh. Did you make these? I have to know. They're beautiful. Okay, this one I can save. Oh no, look at that. I'm going to open this so you can see. It is like a little, oh, forget it. Inspired. I am inspired. I need to make one of these because it's so cute. Do you see that? It's a shaker. Oh, look, amazing Arizona. So I'm getting a phone call, but I will have to call her back. So look at that. Isn't that cute? And then this says just for you. That is adorable. It could just hang. And it's a great little, oh, I love it. Thank you so much. You guys are spoiling me. Seriously spoiling me. Let's see, we've got a few more packages in here. Ooh, you guys. Look at this. Ah. This is beautiful. That is handmade. Oh, that is so pretty. And then this is a ring. Look at that. I'm going to wear that for sure. And then I could change out that necklace. She got me the corded necklace with a little flower in there. I want to say sunflower, but I think it's a dandelion, which is amazing. So, these are just, you guys were seriously, I love so many of you checked in on me. I got texts making sure I'm okay, emails making sure I was okay, and you guys, I didn't even have the strength to text or anything. Oh, look at, these are some little stamps, but they're all succulents and cacti. Isn't that cool? Thank you, thank you. I mean, this is a very personalized gift, I can tell. There's a lot of thought that went into that, so thank you so much. Oh, this one's got tape all over it. It's not gonna survive the... Okay, I don't even know yet. I'm gonna show you the back. How do we already know that this is gonna be so fun? I was right. Look at that, you guys. I'm gonna open this one. Oh, look at this. It's a little shaker bow, little clothespin. Look at this one, little clothespin. Not cute. And then it comes with this little guy here, a little coffee cup, little charm. And it says, it's a planner thing. How cute is this? You guys, thank you so much for loving me. And that's what we do. Getting another call. Sorry. So sorry. But that's what we do. We're beauties. That's what beauties do. We just love others. So thank you again so much. I'm so glad to be back. I have been waiting and waiting and waiting to get back in. Even the past few days, I felt better each day, but I just wasn't ready yet. You know, I would talk and cough halfway through it, but I just wasn't ready. But now I'm ready. I am back, and thank you guys so much for loving me and waiting on me and caring about me, and all of your prayers and good thoughts that helped get me through this. I know there were answered prayers that got me through this. I mean, you guys, 54 oxygen level, and I didn't go to the hospital, and I'm here to talk about it. That's amazing. That is definitely all your prayers and God and Jesus and everything. I am just so thankful for each and every one of you. So I cannot wait. That's it. My Happy Mail is wonderful, and I will be back doing videos again. So make sure you are subscribed if you are not. Put that little bell on so that you are reminded when I do videos. And I can't wait to see you again soon. All right. Have a great weekend. Bye.